In this video, I'd like to show you how to navigate, how to orbit, pan, and zoom in Fusion, and also how to save your files and locate a few key items. First of all, hopefully you have a mouse. If you don't have a mouse, you can borrow one from me in the classroom. We're going to zoom using your scroll wheel to go in and out. Notice that where you place the scroll wheel, where you place your cursor matters for how you zoom to a certain location. Next, we're going to pan. Click the scroll wheel and drag the mouse around to move side to side and up and down. Next, we're going to orbit. Hold Shift on your keyboard, click the scroll wheel, and you can orbit around your object to look at the top and the bottom and all around. Now, let's work on changing our units. Make sure your units are set to inches. You can access them right here. Hover over the icon and then change them to inches. Set as default. Okay. This is your browser where the things you make will show up, and also where sketches and construction plans and other things will appear. Down below, just below my screen, is the timeline. I'm sorry, it's not showing up in this video right now. Right at the bottom of the screen, everything you do will show up down there as well. And this is your toolbar across here. You can access the data panel from the 9 squares in the upper left, and then hopefully you can navigate to the turn-in folder and the assignment folder for this class. Then, if you can't get that, let me know. I will give you access to it. And then up here you can save files and just pay attention to where you're saving them and make sure that it's in the correct location. It's much easier to not use this format, but to navigate to the correct folder first before you go over here to save your file. Okay, another thing to check out is the view cube in the upper right. When you orbit, you can see that it moves as well, and you can use it to select a certain face or a certain angle of view as well. To if you get lost, click on the home button and it'll give you a nice view zoomed in to the correct amount to see everything that you built so far. There's lots more features, but that's a good place to start.